Hello students, welcome back. Welcome to our fourth class, which is about hotel staff, right? So let's see the objective for today's class. The first one is to identify hotel staff. The second objective is to talk about the responsibilities at work. What are the topics that we are going to have today? The first one is about staff positions and duties and job descriptions. Start positions and duties. Let's start with the activity in order to know how much you know about the different start positions in the hotels and their responsibilities. Activity 1. Match the following hotel start positions with their main area of responsibility. We have room attendant, concierge, desk clerk, general manager, housekeeper, and hotel porter. So let's see. Room attendant. What is the correct, in this case, responsibility? We have takes booking and checks people in and out, runs the hotel cleaning, runs the hotel, cleans rooms and bathrooms, carries luggage to and from guest rooms, and assists guests by arranging tours and making bookings. So in this case, room attendant is letter D. So the responsibility is to clean rooms and bathrooms. What about the concierge? What is his responsibility? That is letter F. Assist guests by arranging tours and making books. What about the desk clerk? What is his or her responsibility? So in this case, it's letter A. They take bookings and check people in and out. What about the general manager? The general manager is responsible to run the hotel. What about the housekeeper? The housekeeper is the person who runs the hotel cleaning. And of course, and the most difficult, hotel porter is letter E, who is responsible to carry luggage to and from guest rooms. Alright? Now you know more about start positions. Let's continue. Here we have a text. So that text is about the different positions that people work in a hotel, that people take in a hotel. So I'm going to read this information just to clarify maybe some meanings and some pronunciation things. Okay, here it says, there are many special roles in a hotel staff. The front desk clerk, often known as the receptionist, takes bookings, checks guests in and out of the hotel, bills them, and provides general information. For this role, you must be polite, organized, and have good language skills. The second one, the porter, also called a bellboy or bellhop in the United States, shows you to your room and carries your luggage for you. They may also move and set up equipment for meetings and conferences, take messages, and run errands. Number 3. The hotel housekeeper manages the cleaning staff, supervises their work, draws up their rotas, and deals with linen, toiletry, and cleaning supplies. They need to be organized, pay attention to detail, and have good budgetary skills. The next one, hotel room attendants, more commonly known as chambermaids, make sure hotel rooms are clean, tidy, and inviting for guests. They change bed lining and towels, make the beds, vacuum floors, dust and polish furniture, clean bathrooms, replace toiletries, and restock the minibar. This role is physically demanding and can often be seasonal, or part-time. The next one, The word concierge is French for caretaker, but in a hotel they help guests with problems, give them information and assist them with bookings, especially for transportation and sizing. A concierge should have good local knowledge and excellent communication skills. The next one, hotel managers oversee all aspects of running a hotel, from housekeeping and general maintenance to budget management and marketing. On a daily basis, they manage staff, deal with customer complaints, organize buildings, maintenance, and liaise with all the different hotel departments. They need good business and management skills, must be organized and diplomatic, have excellent communication skills, and hold hospitality management qualifications. What are the conclusions for today's class? The first one is that receptionist is also known as a front desk clerk. Don't get confused. You can use either. The second one, the porter is also called a bell boy. And finally, the hotel room attendants are more commonly known as chambermaids. Alright, so that's the end of the class, and thank you very much for your attention. Goodbye. See you next class.